Welcome back to another study session. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date. Hit the notification bell if you want a reminder to study. And like if you did your homework. Got a little gas. I had made some pretty good dinner. Made some tacos. So pretty good. Easy, quick dinner. Little cleanup. Not much. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into more of today. So the first order of business is making a dish. Second order of business is doing this down here. I guess just in case this takes all my time, we might do this and the reading that my teacher gave me for tomorrow, depending on how long this takes, because I want to explain how to make, I guess, a burger. Specifically, I might go for the double Big Mac from McDonald's, just because here it's pretty popular. The Big Mac and the double Big Mac are just popular. McDonald's is everywhere, so I feel like that would just be a good way to, I guess, start, but I might just say double cheeseburger, just so that way it's not copyrighted or anything like that. So, I guess the first thing I should do is, do bu doburu chi is, hold on, ke chi, okay, cheese ba ga double cheeseburger. There we go. So that's just the title. That's tempura. So I guess now I do sai ryo, niku, to, what else? Niku, cheese, cheese to ketchup, onion, negi, to, what else is there? There's onion, cheese, meat, tomato, to, unless that is katakana, I think. So maybe to, what else? Retasu, retasu, and what else? Is there anything? Ketchup, 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 ketchup. Hopefully that's all right. All right. So, one, maze, niku o yaku, or niku. Oh, I guess I should wash. Niku. Do I need niku? Oh. I guess first, wash the vegetables. Negi, tomato, yasai, these vegetables, yasai. Oh. Rai masu. Then I guess yasai. Kirimasu. Tsugi ni. Tsugi ni. Niku. Niku o yaku. Niku o yaku. What does that get? Niku o. That's hito. Whoop. Niku o. I guess. Irete. Yaku. To. Negi o iremasu. So, put in the meat and cook, then put in the onions. 3, 2, 2, I guess I should. Oh, wait, no, I cut the vegetables. So, tomatoes cut, lettuce is cut, everything's cut. guess. Niku, Niku to. Gosh, why is it there? Not ne. Niku to. Ne. Gi. O. Da. Da. Shite. として出すとばがんを焼きます。I guess like the cheeseburger for me, the way I usually make it is like cook the burger and then take out the burger, sear the bun. How do I noseru? I guess forそしてばがを作ります。I'm gonna add one little thing, I guess. It's gonna be the it's gonna be like after, I don't know how to say after. I'm gonna put it as a question mark and then maybe some gosh, my erasing is just not, I don't want to like erase too much, that's why, but sometimes it's needed. Some 30分から半を ます。30秒、not 30分。30秒から。I'm gonna have to rewrite this again. Gotta love erasing. 30秒からパンを出します。Step 4. そして、this arrow is not it. Go. Oh. 作ります。I think that's all you really need to do. It's just like you don't really. This is just going to be burger. We're not doing cheeseburger. We're not doing double. It's just simple. But yeah. Hopefully that's good enough. And I think that's where I'm going to stop today. It took a long time just trying to write this, create it, write it out. But I'm happy with it. It was a good little 20-minute exercise or practice, just getting my mind into Japanese, along with all the other Japanese that I've been doing today. So it is what it is. But yeah, other than that, homework, make sure you're doing Wanikani, make sure you're doing Anki if you need it, write your journal, do your listening. Don't think you need it more than that. So I will see you in the next one. Deuces.